1963년 3월 20일 악명 높은 알카트라즈 교도소가 폐쇄되고 256명의 수감자와 46명의 교도관, 302명은 한순간의 흔적도 없이 사라졌다. 정부는 이송이라고 발표합니다. 하지만 그들은 어디에도 없었습니다.
Hey buddy, can't sleep in here.
죽었어야 할 죄수 하나가 현재의 샌프란시스코에 나타납니다.
Hope you had a nice time on the rock.
전혀 늙지 않은 그때의 그 모습 그대로.
Tiller.
Detective Madsen. We all took a loss that day. You gotta stop blaming yourself.
I blame the guy that pushed him off the roof.
Madsen, we got a homicide. You're up.
70세 넘은 노인이 살해당하는 사건이 일어납니다.
Elijah Bailey Tiller. Folks called him EB. 78.
Vic, he was a federal agent. We're taking over.
Says who?
Emerson Hauser.
살인사건 현장에서 가져온 액자에서 지문 하나를 발견하는데 알카트라즈에서 30년 전 사망한 수감자 잭 실베이.
Tiller. Diego Soto. What's your story?
알카트라즈 역사 전문가이자 만화책 가게 주인 디에고 소토.
These two look familiar?
Yeah? Warden James and his deputy Tiller?
You ever do any research on an inmate named Jack Sylvain?
The guy was a World War II vet. Got sent to the Rock for robbing a grocery store. Now, the prisoner got frisky in the shower. Jack murders him.
E.B. Tiller was killed last night. Sylvain's parents showed up at the scene.
Okay, 2024, on your feet.
이미 죽은 사람으로 기록된 잭. 대체 뭐지?
I need to use the locker room.
$8 to enjoy the facilities as a guest. Hey, brought you a change and a fresh towel.
돌아가신 부모님 대신 레베카를 키워준 레이 삼촌은 전직 알카트라즈 교도관이었는데
DB's Elijah Bailey Tiller.
Ballbreaker, this guy. Of the worst variety.
They even named a character after you in my comic.
My grandfather was a guard too. Tommy Madsen?
Federal officer gets a federal investigation.
This is about Alcatraz. You work.
Damn it, Rebecca. Let it go.
디에고는 레베카와 함께 사건을 추적하기 시작합니다.
The guards lived here with their families. Still locked. Any ideas?
Flashlight?
이상한 건 수감자 파일과 수감자 물건들이 그대로 남아있다는 것.
SFPD, I'm armed.
What the hell is that?
대화 소리에 겨우 정신이 든 레베카.
Welcome to Alcatraz.
이 남자는 연방요원 에머슨 하우자.
Lifting the photo from the crime scene was not only bold but effective.
I run a special division in charge of criminals who hold a particular...
Underneath Alcatraz.
Computer-generated simulation of what Jack Sylvain should look like today.
틸러가 살해되던 날 교통 카메라에 찍힌 잭의 모습을 확인합니다.
85 years young.
What?
Jack Sylvain disappeared from Alcatraz in 1963.
수감자들의 이송이 거짓이었다고 해도 늙지 않은 모습은 말이 안 되는 상황.
Alcatraz issue.
Yeah. Let's go, Doc.
2024, that's Jack's number.
Is this the man who attacked you?
You got a plate number.
It's the cab he took off.
거침없이 어딘가를 찾아간 잭.
Turn around slow.
그런데 이번에도 살해 목적?
Are you Barkley Flynn? I'm here for you. Open the safe. Give me the bag.
누구의 지시라도 받은 것일까? 뒤늦게 현장에 달려간 레베카와 에머슨.
Officer down, I repeat, officer down. We need backup in a bus.
잭에 대한 새로운 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Jack's wife remarried. I get this. She married Jack's brother.
So, are you with me?
이 시간 잭은 동생의 집을 찾아옵니다. 잭은 분명 복수심의 동생을 살해하러 온 듯.
Oh, please, you must let me go. Let me go. Give me a divorce, Jackie.
그런 아픈 기억이.
That's my mom. She died 4 years ago.
You look the same.
You got old.
I threw dirt on your coffin.
Did she suffer?
She got cancer.
그렇게 동생을 어디론가 데려갑니다.
You took my dad.
You did.
It's okay, Sonia.
바로 뒤쫓아온 레베카. 잭에게 왜 사람들을 죽였는지 물어보는데
I killed Tiller out of hate.
The other guy, Flynn, why'd you kill him?
Only did what they told me.
What, who told you?
Shoot me.
그때 에머슨이 다가와 잭을 끌고 갑니다.
You should have killed me.
One fingerprint as promised.
잭은 다시 수감되고 레베카는 놀라운 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Jack Sylvain was just the beginning.
Come with me.
1963년 알카트라즈에서 수감자들이 사라진 걸 직접 목격한 두 경찰관 중 한 명이었던 에머슨.
What's your name?
Emerson Hauser.
그들이 돌아올 거라 예측하며 50여 년간 기다리고 있었던 것. 레베카는 충격적 진실을 알게 됩니다.
2002. Grandfather wasn't a guard, he was an inmate.
할아버지가 바로 그녀의 파트너를 죽인 장본인이었다는 것.
Your transfer orders.
I'm gonna need a partner.
What, him?
63년대 사람들을 잡아들이는데 두 사람을 합류시킵니다. 알카트라즈 섬 지하에 최첨단 비밀기지를 만들어두고 돌아온 그들을 잡아들이고 있었던 에머슨.
You're not gonna give me a hard time, are you? E.B. Tiller was my friend. Not to worry, Jack. You won't be lonesome long.
바위섬에서 또 돌아온 두 번째 수감자는 알카트라즈 역사상 독방 감금 기간이 가장 길었던 살인범 어니스트 코브. 과거 여러 도시를 돌며 연속 저격 사건을 일으켰던 문제의 인물로 항상 정해진 규칙이 있었는데 3일 동안 세 그룹을 저격하고 사라지는 것. 피해자 중에는 반드시 16살 소녀가 포함된 것. 현재로 돌아온 코브는 그 패턴을 그대로 반복합니다. 사건을 추리해보는 레베카.
Guy on the midway. Boom. Ferris wheel.
Jason should have popped this way.
He's back. Are you working together? They found this.
I don't know.
레베카는 코브의 탄알로 총기를 구입한 곳을 알아냅니다.
Picked up an old Winchester.
Model 70.
Oh, pause there.
Is that a room key?
Not that many hotels still use that kind of room marker anymore.
코브가 있는 호텔을 수소문 끝에 찾아냅니다.
Please! Clear!
같은 시간 코브는 또 누군가를 향해 저격 준비 중.
There's 47 slats in the picket fence. 4, 7, 1.
헐.
Lucy, get down!
Pulse is weak and ready. She's lost a lot of blood.
She's alive, but she's in a coma.
에머슨의 동료이자 심리학자 루시 바네리치가 저격당하고 중태에 빠집니다.
Was she a target? Answer me.
I don't know.
Maybe Dr. Beauregard can jog your memory.
The only thing we can do to help Lucy now is to find Cobb, okay?
Lucy must have set up a database on the 63s.
Who's the 16-year-old in his life? Hauser said Cobb didn't have an MO. What if he used the randomness to hide his real victim?
고아원에 버려진 코브가 친엄마를 찾아갔지만 거절당했다는 과거만 알고 있던 레베카는 뜻밖의 사실을 알아냅니다.
Found a box in the file room filled with letters that were never delivered from an Eloise Monroe.
I was there the day you came to find your mom, who's my mom too, because I always wanted a big brother to look out for.
코브에게 배다른 여동생 엘로이즈가 있었다는 사실.
Why her and not me? If I'm Cobb, I'm pissed.
하지만 엘로이즈는 이미 9년 전 교통사고로 사망한 상황. 코브의 물건들을 살펴보다 그의 치밀한 면을 발견한 레베카.
Holy crap. Cars, hills, people.
Staring at the city, the people, waiting.
이 시간 또다시 어디선가 살인을 저지르고 있는 코브.
This is third shooting.
Lucy wasn't part of this pattern. It's number 2. Can you remove the structures that weren't there in 63?
레베카는 현재 건물들과 당시의 건물들 사진을 비교해 보기로 합니다.
This is what Cobb saw in his cell every day.
The building's high enough to be used as a vantage point.
From the rooftops, he'd shoot down at Pier 31 or Fort Mason.
그곳으로 급하게 달려갑니다.
I got this one. Alive. I want him alive.
그리고 결국 코브를 발견한 에머슨. 코브의 살인 행각을 막아야 한다.
Drop your weapon! Saw your sister. You know she wrote you a letter? Wanted to know you. She wanted a big brother. Go to hell!
어떻게든 시간 끄는 중.
Here's the gun. I have the letter to show you.
No more shooting.
결국 코브를 지하 비밀 감옥 잭 옆으로 데려갑니다.
You're gonna wish I had.
그리고 루시 마네르지의 진실.
If anyone can trigger what's gonna miss in that noggin of yours, this little lady here.
1963년 알카트라즈의 심리 상담사였는데
Hello, Mr. Cobb. My name is Lucille Sengupta.
어느 날 밤 딜런 켈러안이라는 11살 소년이 사라지는 일이 발생합니다.
Mom says all she found in his bed this morning was the flower.
디에고는 바로 감이 오는데
Kit Nelson, AZ-2446, who stole the kid from his bed. He steals him on a Friday, brings their bodies back home Sunday night. If we don't find this kid in 48 hours, he's gonna be dead.
바위섬에서 또 돌아온 세 번째 수감자는 아동 연쇄 살해범 키트 넬슨.
Sid,
But Dylan wouldn't run away. He's a good kid.
you recognize this man?
Yeah, that's Warren from Killer's Hardware.
Do you remember this man working at your house? Was he in your bedroom last night?
I pretended to be asleep because I was scared.
Never seen him before in my life.
워런이란 사람은 다른 남자.
That's it.
Where do people fish around here?
Only one place, Lafayette Recreation Area.
이 시간 키트는 딜런이 좋아할 만한 것들을 함께합니다.
Eat your popcorn. Makes him have fun before.
I'm kind of sick last hurrah.
Let's go find out what else Dylan likes to do.
The Amber Alert for Dylan Callahan. You need to cancel it immediately.
에머스는 키트를 잡기 위해 실종 경보를 취소시킵니다.
We need to know some of Dylan's hobbies.
He goes to the comic book store every Wednesday, and The Simpsons, South Park, King of the...
Do anything outside?
No, he's not athletic. He likes to be indoors.
Wait, I got it wrong. We gotta figure it out.
Did they get their kid back?
Cherry pie.
Amber Alert's been canceled.
You did this? You canceled the Amber Alert.
이 사실을 듣고 분노한 디에고.
Doc, calm down. Look, we're a man down. We need him.
You need him.
But unless you have a better idea, you're gonna have to trust me. Us. I was thinking about what you said. Cherry pie thing? Is that what you meant by cherry pie? Is that something Nelson likes? Call me, please.
To you and me, it means nothing. Doc, it's a life story.
And that's why we need him.
Get him back.
디에고는 체리파이 전문점마다 돌아다니며 키트의 행방을 찾는 중. 포기하려던 그때
Give us 2 slices of cherry pie, would you?
Honey, how are you?
Doc, what's going on? Are you okay?
Hillcrest Diner on Pacific Drive. No.
Kid Nelson there with you?
Yes.
Stay put. I'm on my way.
도대체 그는 어쩌다 이렇게 된 걸까?
Your mama died. Did you kill your brother?
It was scarlet fever, just like Mama said.
I thank God for Alcatraz crawling corpse before they let you out of here.
딜런을 구해야 한다.
Excuse me, do you have change for $1?
No.
Kid Nelson!
Dylan, don't give up.
하지만 딜런을 인질로 잡은 키트.
I just got that kid killed, didn't I?
키트의 소지품들을 뒤지다가 값비싼 담배들을 발견한 두 사람.
CNC Cement Company, $48.28.
So Nelson worked for CNC.
It's been backpaid.
지금은 망한 회사지만 당시 미 서부에 방공호를 지었던 사실을 알아냅니다. 한편 이 시간
That was the wrong move.
When can I go home?
Soon.
Where are you taking me? The best Alcatraz.
Side.
Tell me what you did to your brother.
Died of scarlet fever.
That's a lie, son.
Yeah, it's like you said.
Make him last.
I'm hungry. Is there any food? It's cold down here. Could I at least get a blanket?
딜런은 포기하지 않고 도망갈 준비 중. 그때 도착한 레베카와 디에고. 뒤늦게 나타난 에머슨이 그를 사살합니다. 바위섬에서 돌아온 다음 수감자는
Good morning, Amanda. I'd like to pay a visit to my safety deposit box.
We have to hurry.
매력적이고 카리스마 넘치는 은행 강도 칼 스위니.
Someone hit the safety deposit boxes. Colonial Liberty.
Holy cow. Cal Sweeney. Busy 2112. Hit over 20 banks in the late 50s. Cash and bonds are FDIC insured. Boxes aren't.
6 boxes were hit. Surveillance cameras were turned off.
We had help.
I met him at a grocery store.
You ever go to his house?
We always went to my place.
Hey, Condor.
현재에 돌아온 그는 열심히 활동 중.
Safety deposit box was robbed this morning.
Come on in.
Can you describe it?
Platinum necklace that... I'm calling the bank.
바로 돌변.
What I want is the story.
Hi, can I help you? The safety deposit box was robbed. We just need to ask him a few questions.
Will, honey?
그런데 왜 대여 금고의 주인들을 찾아다니며 범죄를 저지르는 것일까?
He's already got the items. What's he looking for? Stolen items to every pawn shop in the county, no hit. The tellers. It's the one thing that stayed consistent. 45 to 50, no wedding rings.
같은 꽃을 놓고 갔다.
Oh yeah, always sending flowers out to women, but women.
또 다른 은행원에게 꽃을 보낸 사실을 알게 된 시간.
What are you doing?
이번엔 딱 걸림. 하지만 반항도 만만치 않은 상황.
Which should buy you some time to get inside the bank.
So you're saying the vent from the building next door will pass into the bank?
레베카는 환기구를 통해 은행으로 진입을 시도합니다.
I'm here to break you out.
You out of your mind?
You got a better idea?
빠져나오는 인질들 사이에 숨어 레베카와 함께 따라 나온 칼.
Target is missing. What?
Where'd that other FBI guy go?
에머슨과 디에고는 레베카의 차량을 뒤따르고
What did you take?
I don't know. Just turn in here and pull over.
주머니 안에 들어있는 건 열쇠.
I believe you have something that doesn't belong to you.
Only if you tell me what it's for.
Some other day, we have another one.
잭 실베인도 열쇠를 가져갔습니다. 칼 스위니도 열쇠를 찾고 있습니다. 이 열쇠들 모두 연결돼 있는 게 아닐까요? 이번에 돌아온 자는 알카트라지에서 신입 교도관들을 교육하던 베테랑 간수 가이 헤이스팅스.
Hey, what are you doing?
Seen leaving the building moments later.
Our first guard.
He attacked a ranger? Why?
Someone put him up to it.
사건 현장은 과거 그의 집이었는데
2 clips. He's got a gun.
Sniz, what's he gonna do with it?
How are we supposed to find him?
I don't know where we can start. Annie, that was his daughter. Look at these markings.
Find her.
두 사람은 가이의 딸 애니를 찾아갑니다.
That afternoon, Mama was at the pier. Chemical spill on the island. And then the call came. He died. I have the box the prison sent us.
14 tear gas canisters fixed to the ceiling.
가이는 과거 레베카의 삼촌 레이 아처의 상관이었고 레이는 레베카의 할아버지 매디슨과도 얽혀 있었는데
Madison, you just done yourself a trip to the hole.
Ray's missing.
I'll go with you.
Think this has something to do with Hastings?
Rebecca? Looks like they were friends.
한참 후 정신이 든 레이.
They look exactly the same.
That's you and Tommy.
Where's he, Ray? He's dead.
Same as I'm here, so is he. You can't find Tommy? Take me to his son.
레이의 집에 도착한 레베카.
Hi, Ray. He wasn't even on the rock when it closed.
에머스는 레이가 아닌 토미를 찾으러 나타난 거라 확신합니다.
Guy wasn't just any guard. He was Ray's training officer.
Here's a photo Ray gave me this morning.
Same place Tommy and Ray grew up.
또 다른 사실을 발견한 레베카.
Ray's son?
Ray must have changed his last name to work on Alcatraz.
They were brothers. Ray's my uncle. I'm headed to 139 Hayworth Street, but
I'm on my way.
This is where Tommy grew up.
하지만 그곳에 토미는 없는데
If there's any place Tommy'd go, be here. You remember my first day in Iraq? Where have you been?
It wasn't 1963 anymore.
그 시간 누군가 도착. 레베카.
Becca, behind you!
가족들이 모두 죽은 줄 알고 있던 가이에게 딸 애니가 살아있다고 전합니다.
Mr. Hastings! Is Annie really alive?
With great memories of her daddy.
에머스는 가이를 딸 애니에게 데려갑니다.
That's your daughter, Annie. These are her children and her grandchildren. Can I see her? Talk to her? No.
가이는 저항하지 않고 비밀 감옥으로 들어갑니다. 레베카는 할아버지인 터미 매드슨이 이 모든 것의 중심에 있다는 걸 직감합니다.
I offered Ray Archer a job 16 years ago.
Someone with ties to Tommy Madsen. Which means you need me more than I need you.
그런데 그날 밤
I told you never to come back here.
레이 앞에 나타난 터미 매드슨.
Puts her in harm's way. If I see you again, I'll kill you.
돌아온 자들은 계속 늘어납니다. 샌프란시스코에 나타난 또 다른 죄수.
This does not look good.
사고 현장에 서 있는 수상한 남자.
Kind of explosive. Makes a crater like this.
Holy crap, it's Paxton Petty. Petty was a combat engineer in the Korean War.
You know this case.
3 bombs went off.
헉! 아까 그 남자. 레베카는 백스턴 패티를 잡기 위해 달려갑니다. 하지만 폭발물 전문가답게 순식간에 사라지는데
Someone's helping these guys. I mean, maybe unfreezing them.
Hey, psycho! This is some ugly looking trap.
Pulled that from a tree branch.
So he's putting something in them.
코마 상태인 루시 바네르지.
I'm sorry.
Are you saying she's dying?
1963년에 또 다른 증인이었던 그녀는 이대로 깨어날 수 없는 걸까?
Glad you approve, son.
Just a mild sedative to help you relax. You were only 18 when you joined the Marines. 14 Silver Stars were awarded to the veterans of the Chosin Reservoir. Made you feel like a traitor for doing your job. Went to the village of Wonju, the mines where they got their water, where they played in the field.
It's a Korean lullaby.
You were in the 45th Division in Korea, isn't that right, Mr. Madsen?
Lullaby was the enemy's way of communicating that information.
It's a military medal, all right. It's not left to the family. Most are buried with the soldiers.
Presidio.
Graveyard detail.
Thank you, sir.
훈장을 받아본 적 없었던 팩스턴이 무덤을 파헤쳤다는 거.
Doesn't look like anything's been touched.
Maybe he got the medal from somewhere else.
Maybe he hid them where he knew no one would look.
팩스턴 자료를 보던 에머스는 뭔가를 발견합니다.
Snow, beard, grace.
레베카와 디에고는 팩스턴의 은신처를 찾아냅니다.
This is where it came back.
Looks like somebody was painting. There's paint over here, too.
Stash 1954. It's been waiting for him.
Sandstone paint. Rubber tiles, oh my god. Any elementary school or park in San Francisco.
팬티 얘기에 뭔가 감잡은 에머스.
Tan, sandstone.
It's 2 different colors.
Listen, windward.
Sunset and stone.
Parks, would you? Check for windward.
Windward Elementary, that's close to my shop. I know those kids.
레베카는 근처에 있는 공원을 수색합니다.
Stay there.
Still show up till you hear back from me.
Do not move.
전화를 끊고 뒤를 돌아보자 그곳에 팩스턴이.
Patty?
하지만 잠복 근무 중인 두 사람 앞에 모습을 드러낸 팩스턴.
Drop the knife. Get on the ground, face down.
You with the guy in the suit?
에머슨이 위험한 상황인 듯.
What do you want?
A week ago, I went to sleep, a stone's throw from where we're standing now. Next thing I know, it's what? 2012?
당시의 자료들을 보던 레베카는 에머슨이 팩스턴의 담당 경찰이었던 사실을 알게 됩니다. 어쨌든 지금 중요한 건 팩스턴이 숨겨놓은 남은 지뢰의 위치를 찾아내야 하는데.
Sand. Windward Elementary. Sunset. Where the hell's Sandstone paint.
감잡은 레베카는 당장 선셋 비치로 달려갑니다.
Doc, stay here. Call Tanner.
You got it.
조심스럽게 지뢰를 제거하는 중.
About another minute down here. Gotta grab something from my pack.
하지만 개조한 폭탄이라 쉽지 않은데.
Said he's a vet, right? Afghanistan? I wonder what he saw out there. Made him like this.
Designed special for hot shots like you and me.
We'll see. On 3, you're stepping off that mine. Gotta do it cleanly. Then get behind that blast wall. 1, 2, 3! This way!
성공이라 생각한 순간. 테너는 죽고 맙니다. 모든 걸 알고 있는 듯한 에머슨.
Related your song, we dug up every mine you planted.
You're lying.
Okay.
1962년 실제 발생한 알카트라즈 교도소 탈옥 사건의 미스터리를 배경으로 한 픽션.
Fix her.